the best yet. We've got it. You can feel the realness in this business of rap.
The second battle. So rapper to my right, introduce yourself.
Artificial intelligence. Let's get started.
Okay, rapper to my left, introduce yourself.
MC said representing Mira Road.
Okay, so this is like a one-round battle. So we flipped off cam. Himanshu won the toss. He goes first.
He was demeaning me on broadcast messages. See, now that's what bastards do. I'm about to show you why I'm no average dude. Fuck your feelings, I say it like I see it. So it's safe to say that this chap is rude. But in him, I see where the dent is. He got a skill cavity, so I'm straight getting to cap this dude. You said I ain't an avid battler in here. Are you that stupid? I cap both your titans. I cap both your titans. Bitch, my gun so lucid. I let the caps fly around. Don't care who I'm shooting. Get this bitch caught in a round like he hula hooping. When you accepted this battle, your train caught the wrong line. Cause I see you harbor fear that when I start banging, I'll break your central spine. But he showed up, proving he got balls, so he's not sterile. So I'll give this Western guy first class treatment when I cover him with red vinyls. Wait a second, I said train, lines, harbor, central, western. Red vinyls giving him treatment of first class. That just means we ain't talking songs when we say we want to see you on track. Plus you only on the card cause Alvin backed out. You and him in the same projects. You shouldn't have backed out, man. Now I got to see rejects. This shit is easy work. They don't even need to edit this clip. I'm already putting in the GFX. My mind's a nuisance, I got a rhyme solution. He sees himself as a winner. That's hallucination. You claim you fly, but you off radar. You're playing Malaysia. Terrorize your face with 2 lines, like the ISISation. See, I'm exterminating wax to purify the game. Fellas thought I was a shrine keeper. Funny that when my lines go overhead when I rhyme deeper. Plus, you shouldn't have messed with me, man. I'm a man eater. One click, make the bombs explode everywhere. The shit, my gun acting like the minesweeper. And now, you're about to lose both the battles you've had. Geometrics is slim. I pull out 180 to set it straight. Expose the coward in him. Double the effort. Wait, my 360 is covering whole scenes when they're showering beams. But in reality, I just need a fourth of my skills. My 90 connect to hand a L to this fiend. My 90 connect to hand a L to this fiend. I'll slit your lifelines with my rounds. And it's not bangles I mean. In this, I'll slit your lifelines with my rounds. And it's not bangles I mean. In this game, I bring mathematics. I'll square you up if you try angles with me.
Bars.
This dude is so pale, his only sickness is malaria. Ahead of the tide, now he's just feeling it down under like it's Australia. Well, let me tell you a story about Pat. When we eat Pat, it's Pat is. When Pat is in auto, he's Pat Rick. When Pat is a communist, he's Pat in. And when Pat gets sick of my rhymes, he's Pat in. He tried to disintegrate me, but forgot that I'm e raised to x. And is that constant when differentiated will get zeros to death. I'll be the hip-hop professor differentiating MCs like sin. This dude is so dumb, when I say calculus, he relates like shit to tin. I got a gun so big, I don't need no bullets. But when I throw a shit on his face, I'll get the work done by June. He whines about his peers that make him splatter. And I'll scotch him his ass, like red drum spelled backwards. Get it? Wine, beer, scotch, red drum spelled backwards. It's murder, bitch. Time.